Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a very quick and effective tutorial on how to do this invincible lock, and you could use this invincible lock for crochet, hair and twist. Now let's get right into the video. For this one, I'm going to be showing you guys a twist method, how to do a twist with your invincible lock. So what you want to do is section out your hair or the amount of hair you want. You could do whatever kind of braids you want with the invincible hair, although you really can do micro braids, but like for something medium and above, it's very good, you could do it. So what you do is section out inside or a middle part of the hair you sectioned out, just like you see in this video, and then you braid it. You would want to braid a tight braid because you don't want the hair to pull out while you're trying to style your hair, because this is a crochet method. So after you braid down your hair that you get in the middle of your already sectioned out hair, you're going to just braid it down, and you're going to So what you do is put this crochet here just like this, but that's not where you should put it. You should put it at the beginning or almost at the beginning of your braid. Do not put it at the middle. Always put it at the beginning or like almost to the beginning of the braid, so it looks really natural. So you drag the hair in between as usual, like a regular crochet hair, and then you cover it up. That's it, guys. It's as simple as that. And then you add your protective cream or your protective gel or whatever you want to use to hold your hair. So always put the protective cream to the tip, but I'm not going to do that because working with mannequin hair is is something I really don't want to really talk on. But yeah, if you did this on a real hair, guys, you would love the outcome. It's going to really look like an invincible lock. So you want to hold the other side with a clip or whatever to just hold it, or you could tell your client to help you hold the hair, and then you section out the other side. And guys, like I said at the beginning, please just ignore my sections, please. Working with mannequin hair is the best. That's what I would just say. Now this is a clearer picture of how to like take it from the middle. You really don't have to section and section just like this. You could just go right in there if you're like on a real hair, and you would grab the hair you want to do, section it out with your hand. You don't even need a comb. Then you braid. And guys, that is really about this whole invincible. After braiding, you use your crochet, drag it out, and you twist it from the scalp, and then you just go ahead to twist the hair. It's literally easy. Now you just put your crochet hair and you drag it out, and it's not even painful, it doesn't hurt. The only disadvantage with this hair is the time consuming, but I mean, if it's really like a normal hair, it doesn't like it's not gonna take too long, it's just regular. So guys, you twist the hair the way you twist your regular hair. And before I continue, if you want to twist your hair, you should also know where to twist to, the directions to twist to. If you're twisting regularly from left, you should twist your scalp hair from the left, and you do the same at the other side.